All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Let's do the recap for today. I had a pretty good day on Tesla and TQQQ.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Market really bounced back at around 945. Nobody knows exactly why, but the yields of started dropping, so the bond market rallied. Maybe the rally in the bond market was the reason that everything started bouncing. So as you see here at around 945, we had a really massive rally on the market, so right around this time, and this is exactly equal to by the time that the bond market rallied. So as you see at 945, these are all correlated. If you look at my chart, the bond market started rallying. So TLT is the long duration bonds, so it started rallying at 945, and that kind of the whole market also rallied. It was really weak market at the open, but this rally was amazing. So I personally don't know exactly what happened and why, but one person mentioned in the chat that Bill Ackman, which is one of the big hedge fund managers, he again 50 minutes ago at 6:45, exactly at 6:45, he tweeted that we covered our bonds shorts at 6:45 my time, which is 9:45 a.m. There is too much risk in the world to remain short bonds at current long-term rates. So I mean, the economy is slowing faster than recent data suggested. So essentially, this is what Bill Ackman tweeted, and that is maybe one of the reasons that market started rallying. And it's just very interesting to see what's going to happen. Anyways, so exactly at 9:45 this rally happened. So we took that rally through QQQ. So obviously what I noticed that Q's really squeezed above the VWAP, as you see here, very powerful. So one way of trading QQQ is trading options on QQQ or trade TQQ, and that's what I did. So what I noticed here, that the very strong squeeze for 3 minutes with heavy volume through the VWAP. As soon as it came above the VWAP, I went long 33.60 all the way up to 34.20. And this is what we also see on the 5-minute chart. Someone mentioned that what is this strategy? So this strategy is essentially 5-minute open range breakup, so to speak. However, it's very bit different because you have a really massive bullish candlestick that punches through the VWAP, this massive run through the VWAP. So I went long, stop loss below the VWAP. Obviously you have, this is your risk, and then the reward was very nice here. So that's a very nice trade that we did. And now Tesla was the same situation. Tesla sold off really heavily at the open, so it was a very nice 5-minute open range breakdown. Very nice 5-minute open range breakdown. I didn't take that trade, unfortunately, because I was just watching it to see if I can get a good entry. However, on a 5-minute chart, exactly when the tweet came, it started showing a bullish engulfing on a 5-minute chart that turned out to be a very nice trade, and I took that trade to the long. Let's go to the 1-minute chart to see exactly what my 1 minute, and again, all live in the chat room, all live in front of the people. So Tesla, when it sold off, it really kind of stalled around 204. I took it a quick long for a bounce. It did bounce back quickly, and I got stopped out. And I took it another time, got out, and I got stopped out. So these two trades was really not a great trade, because we still didn't have enough, level or anything to trade based on that. But still, I took that trade. Quickly, and got stopped out. But the best trade that was after that 9:45, again the bounce happened. I look at the 5-minute candlestick, and I saw that this bullish engulfing is starting. I jumped in long heavy, popped up all the way to the VWAP, sold, and I added at the VWAP as well. I added heavy at the VWAP as well, and as you see at 205 all the way up to 207, and I'm still long on that as well. So actually, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna really sell a little bit of that as well. So at 211, so that was a very nice trading as well. Tesla most likely is going to go green. Broke the high of the day. Tesla is going to go green as well. So again, as you see here on a 1-minute candlestick, if you look at that, the squeeze happened. I went long all the way up to above the VWAP. I added back at the VWAP, and then popped up again 205, 207, 211. I'm getting out at the break-even points. Even numbers. One way of trading it at the Brian, I think at 202.50, he shorted the puts at 202.50. So you can essentially short the puts if you go long. He collected $5 premium, and as the market bounced back, this one is just continue going down. And you see the bigger asks are stacking up. This is a very bullish sign as well. I just saw a huge ask is going up at 211. I think it's that the price is going to go up. See, the asks are getting bigger and bigger. These are very bullish sign that you're gonna get that. So really amazing trading there. I don't know, what else we can expect from this amazing trading day. So Brian, I know I explained that you shorted the 250 exactly the time that I went long for puts. What else you traded? I know you traded QQQ calls as well, huh?
Yeah, I traded. I just bought the 354 calls on the QQQs. I paid a buck. I think it was about $1.45 for them, and sold. Been selling them all the way up $1.80. Just got some over $2 here. So, a very capital efficient way of trading the index.
Another very capital way of trading is actually trading the micro futures. Like Thor, for example, at 945, he traded that from S4 long. This is like with risking $200, you can make $2,000 or something like that. So here's, as you see here, it's a very, very beautiful trade that he did long S4. That's a trade that Thor did. In our community, there was a lot of nice trades that we did. This is the trade that Ackman did. Long from 70 to 54 on coin. Obviously crypto is on fire, so he took a really nice reversal on that. This is absolutely amazing. John, amazing trading. John is a really amazing trader. So at right around 945, SPY squeezed above the VWAP. So again, this is a very nice screenshot here. As you see, a strong move on the SPY, and then he traded NVDA had a massive run. So break of high of the day. So high of the day on NVDA here, break of high of the day. This is a pre-market high entry, heavy volume coming in, and boom, at yesterday, 2 days ago, low at 419. Very nice. John is a really, really amazing trader, captain on Peak Capital as well. What else we had traded? Avi, again, so many good trades that we had in there. Avi made 2,500 on Tesla, again on this bounce, but he didn't trade the shares like me. What he did was, had a loss on Apple shorts, but on Tesla, he went on options Tesla long. So, and that was his trade. Let me show his trade here. So this is his trade. So again, long, exactly the moment that I went long. No, actually it said earlier, right at the open. So he went long on the Tesla calls at 200. Sorry, this is Tesla puts. Yeah, so he shorted that by Tesla puts at 250. And then went all the way up to 450. So this is a Tesla put. So the moment that Tesla sold, we took this trade on the long. So that was the opposite trade that I did at 945. So Tesla put. So when you buy the puts, when the price goes down, the value of the puts are going to go higher because just you can put that price on the other party. So that was a very nice trade that our buddy Avi did. And obviously Paris, the master of order flow and price action, which is highly recommend guys to watch his course on Trading Terminal. Again, shorted Apple with tier 3. He also talks about position sizing as well, tier 3, tier 1 and tier 2 trades that he had, and then really nice drop here, and then he got stopped out at 170.91.3. It's amazing. So as you see, the market is going to continue going higher. Tesla, I still have a little bit of shares of Tesla. Let's sell a little bit more on Tesla, 212, and TQQ as well is going to go up. I'm going to get out a little bit of on TQQ as well. Very nice trading here. So these are all trades that the folks did, and again, I got out of a little bit TQQ at 34.30 and Tesla at 212. Tesla moved up 4%. It's unbelievable. All right, guys, so that's pretty good. There was a really, really nice trading day. So if anyone is interested in joining the community, guys, today we have the onboarding session. Mike and Megan are going to go through the onboarding session. Peak Capital is going very strong. Traders are making really good money. And this week, Ackman is going to come back with multiple time frame in day trading, looking at 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and daily chart. So how do you actually trade, based on the multiple time frame? That's what Ackman is gonna talk. And next week would be Ardi with the macro trading. So a lot of people are asking about the interest rates, impact of interest rates, bond and equity market and everything. So Ardi is gonna have that presentation next Tuesday about why the bond market and yields are moving up and down, and what is the impact on those ones. So it's very important for these two guys' presentation. Very important, like, guys. All right, that's it, guys. All the best, and thank you so much. Yeah, so I covered most of my position. Now it's actually 16,000. So pretty solid day for me, guys. Really, really nice. All the best, and I'll see you guys in the chat room.